How's it, everyone? I'm Ben from Bulldog, and today we're going to be showcasing our Bulldog Homegrown Tungsten Carbide TC Burs and what they can do, how to use them, and the range available. As you can see here next to me, this is one of our burr boxes used for display purposes on counters, and we've got quite a variety of different shapes and sizes. We predominantly keep them, I'll show you, in a 6mm shank. So what it is the head is made out of tungsten carbide with a specific cut on it. This is a cut D or a double cut. Very versatile, used for cutting most ferrous and non-ferrous materials. Can clog on aluminium. We have a different cut for that, which we'll showcase on another day. So this is mainly for all of your steels. It's on a hardened steel shank, 6mm. You get the 3mm as well, which is a mini burr essentially, but those are used for different purposes and run at very high speeds. So this would be one of the most common shapes used in South Africa. It's a ball-nosed cylinder. A cut D is a cross cut, as you can see. I don't know if you can see there, but that's a cross cut. And it gives small to medium chip sizes when it cuts. So there's just a few things I want to go through with you guys in order to help you get the optimum usage out of these products. So they're used either with a pneumatic machine or with an electric variable speed machine. Now the key is the size of the head of the burr. The bigger the head, the slower the speed. So there is a burr chart that we will make available to you on our site where you can measure it yourself. But the bigger the head, the slower the speed. In order to get optimum usage out of these products, you need to run them at the correct speed. Speed is key for all abrasives, so please remember that. So this is a pneumatic machine. It runs at 28,000 RPM. The optimum speed of this burr is about 26, so we're in the right range. The collet on this machine is 6mm. I'm not using the spanners at the moment. One thing to remember is the overhang on the burr out of the collet, that part there, must not be longer than 10mm. So don't put it flush, and definitely don't put it there. I'll tell you why. Because when the overhang sits like that, the burr essentially doesn't run true. It runs like this. You won't see it with your eye, but it'll start chipping. You won't get optimum usage, and the burr's quality and life won't last, and you won't get the finish you need on the material. So overhang, obviously you'd be tightening this now with your spanners. Overhang there at 10mm. Burrs are obviously tungsten carbide. Our TC burrs have a very, very high tungsten content with a cobalt binder in them to bind it together. Because they're so hard, they're brittle. So if you drop a burr on a hard surface, it's going to shatter. If you shove a burr into a crevice or into a corner, it's going to chip. Two things to remember. If the burr's teeth are wearing down too fast, you're running the burr too slowly. If the burr's teeth are chipping, you're running the burr too fast. So, like I said earlier, speed is the most important thing when you're using these products. The range you see here is not everything we have, so it's very extensive, and that's all available for viewing on our website. Just some of the other shapes, as you can see, we've got flames, we've got trees, we've got your ball type, we've got the cylindrical. So for whatever purpose needed, we have the correct tool for you guys. This is a range that's fairly new to our stable that we are expanding on every year. So as we grow, the shapes that are available become more, and then the cuts we will have available to you also will grow. The aluminium cut we'll have in stock relatively soon. But like I said, this is a very versatile product, and used for any sort of steel application where you need to make something bigger, or you need to make a hole wider, make something fit. That's tungsten's purpose. So hopefully this was informative to you guys, and please let us know if there's any questions. If you have any queries, please don't forget to click the link below, like and subscribe, and there'll be a lot more information on what's available to you, and we have technical experts on call the whole time to assist you guys. I'm Ben from Bulldog. Please keep tuned in, keep watching. We'll be back with a lot more.